Welcome to this video in which I'm going to explain to you how local rankings in organic search are influenced by relevance and authority. So, search term plumber Chyzyk, and we're going to look at the organic results, and I'm going to try and explain to you why these websites are, out of all the websites possible and all the web pages possible, these are the ones that Google has decided to show on the front page of Google. Because once you understand that, then you have got a firm understanding what you need to do to your web pages so that they rank for your targeted terms in your local area. So in local search, there's really two types of websites that rank. You've got big authoritative sites that have got pages that rank in your area for your keywords. So, for example, Checkatrade would have a ranking for plumbers in Chyzyk. Now, obviously, they're not actually a plumber in Chyzyk. They're an authoritative site that's ranking in that area. The Italian Plumber, on the other hand, is a plumbing company who are ranking in that area. So that's the two different types. So, and a local plumbing company would be more optimized. Their website would be more optimized overall for that term, and therefore will be able to rank there for that term with a lot less backlinks and domain authority than what Checkatrade will do. So Checkatrade is leveraging its authority and having less relevance for that term throughout, but their authority is what's putting them there. So myplumber.co.uk is DR26, 4,300 backlinks to the site, but none to this page that is actually ranking. Let's have a look at the page and see what they are. So it is a plumbing company serving the whole of London by the looks of it. This is their Chyzyk areas page. So there's their areas drop down there. To see what areas they cover for plumbers. Yeah, so all London areas, and they've got a page for every area of London. Okay. So let's go back to the Chyzyk page, and so this page is going to be reasonably well optimized for the term plumbers in Chyzyk. So plumbers in Chyzyk, that's in a page title or a heading tag, sorry. Page titles up here, plumber Chyzyk, so the keyword's in the title tag. It's in the heading tags. That would be the main header H1 tag. It's in the content as well, emergency plumber Chyzyk. And not very much down the bottom. So it's reasonably well optimized, the page, but their internal optimization of the website is good. So let's jump back and see who's at number 2. Chyzyk W4. In the earlier video that I did, we saw that Chyzyk W4 is a local website for Chyzyk, like a local community site. So they're even asking for feedback on plumbers in the area. So they'll obviously keep on top of having good companies listed there. So it's a good local website basically. DR54, so it's got good domain authority. It's got 52,000 backlinks pointing back to the site as a whole. And even this plumbing page that is ranking here has got 4 backlinks. Let's just see what they are. They are going to be relevant to plumbing in Chyzyk, I'm sure. ChysykHeating.com, so that's relevant to plumbing in Chyzyk. KCS Services Brentford is just down the road from Chyzyk. So yeah, related backlinks pointing back to the page, which is making the page rank on a reasonably high authority domain. The Italian Plumber.co.uk, Chyzyk Plumbers. So this is a page on his website with no backlinks to it that's ranking. He's DR6, so he's going to need to be very relevant to be getting that. So let's have a little look. So in the URL, plumber, Chyzyk, plumbers, all in the URL. So the first point of relevancy. Title tag, Chyzyk plumber. Chyzyk in the page, in the heading tags. Again in the heading tags, in the heading tags. In the content. In the heading tags, in the content. Local areas listed, giving it more local relevancy. Chyzyk plumber services in other local areas, so again in another heading tag. So overall, a well-optimized page for the term plumber Chyzyk plumbers. So that's why that website is ranking, even though it's DR6, it's very related at the domain level, and then the on-page is reasonably good, and it didn't need any links to that actual page because the website itself is optimized very well. Checkatrade.com, we discussed Checkatrade a little while ago, very high DR, no links required to rank. Let's just have a little look at the actual page from an SEO perspective. I'm sure you've all probably seen Checkatrade pages before. URL, Checkatrade, plumber, Chyzyk. And the only real optimization for Chyzyk other than that is going to be where Chyzyk is mentioned in the content from these business names, and some local relevance coming in from the local areas that are mentioned in the content provided by the businesses. Plum London, DR42, no backlinks to the page. Again, it's going to be a reasonably well optimized page on a reasonably high authority domain as well. W4 Plumber, DR3, 97 backlinks to this page. That's because it's the home page that is ranking, so its home page has got the majority of the links. Now this guy is interesting because W4 Plumber, W4 is the postal code for Chyzyk, plumber, obviously plumber, so it's got a very relevant domain name. It's obviously his business name as well. Welcome to W4 Plumber. Based in Chyzyk. His page title tag is literally just W4 Plumber. He's not on a secure server as well. He has got the map of his location in Chyzyk. So his page is very poorly optimized for the search term plumber Chyzyk. Should have keywords, keyword variations in the title tag. There's no, this will be the H1 W4 plumber. If it just changing the title tag and the H1 to say welcome to w4plumber.com, your trusted plumber in Chyzyk, would see him get a great improvement in his rankings. Let's just have a look at his backlinks and just see how relevant they are as well. A link from emergency plumbing, plumbers W4, Just got links from the. So here you go again. See, he's got links from this Chyzyk W4 site again. Citation site. Another citation on construction.co.uk. Great site for getting a citation listing from. So he's got reasonably related links throughout, but again, what interests me here is he's got this link from ChizykW4.com. Very relevant links for both for plumbing and for Chyzyk. So yeah, I'd go continue with what I said there before and say that if his title tag was optimized for plumber Chyzyk and his H1 was, he would see a great jump in ranking straight away. Let's jump back to the search results. londonplumber.co.uk, locations Chyzyk. So it's a DR16 with no links to the page. It's going to need to be well optimized to be ranking even in at position 10. It's got an image of somewhere in Chyzyk, maybe. It's definitely got Chyzyk in the image. The image is probably saved as Chyzyk. It's got the breadcrumbs. This is called breadcrumbs when a website does this. Gives Google the path to the page. Keeps it neat. Plumber in Chyzyk. Plumber near me in Chyzyk. 300 words of optimization. It's got some reviews. It's just crept in at the bottom of the page with that. So reasonably well optimized. Again, a lot of that's in the URL and the title tag, londonplumber.co.uk/locations/Chyzyk. So plumber Chyzyk in the URL as well as the title tag. The image is going to be optimized for it. Breadcrumbs to Chyzyk, H1, and in the content. So I would say that that's very well optimized for Chyzyk as well. So that's why that's ranking, even though it's a weaker domain than some of the higher ranking domains, the higher authority domains that are ranking for the search term. So what we see, if you were in this market, you'd certainly be trying to get a link from ChysykW4.com, very related and authoritative site in the area. So you could take that information and go away and analyze what websites are ranking and start to understand why they're ranking in your area. So remember, it's all about authority and relevance. And the relevance is created through the on-page optimization and the links to the website. The authority comes from the DR of the sites that are linking to your website. It's very straightforward when you break it down like that. Any questions, reach out to me under the YouTube video, through the blog or the Facebook group, and I look forward to helping you with your business SEO. Thank you.